तो हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू दिस माय चैनल। जैसा कि मैंने आपको पिछली वीडियो में बताया था कि एक सैम्पल प्रोग्रामिंग के बारे में, और इस वीडियो में बताऊंगा कि एसक्यूएल सर्वर डेटाबेस कैसे मेंटेन किया जाता है। और एसक्यूएल सर्वर डेटाबेस मेंटेन करने के लिए आपके सिस्टम में एक एसक्यूएल सर्वर ड्राइवर का इंस्टॉल होना चाहिए। वो इंस्टॉल करने के लिए पहले पंजाबी बूटेबल बनाया जाता है। बूटेबल बनाने के लिए अलग से cmd कमांड टाइप करना पड़ता है। वो अलग से मैं आपको वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगा कैसे कैसे किया जाता है, बूटेबल बनाया जाता है। उसके पहले हम अपने सिस्टम में एसक्यूएल सर्वर ओपन करके आप दिखाते हैं कैसे डेटाबेस मेंटेन किया जाता है और कैसे क्रिएट किया जाता है। इसी एसक्यूएल सर्वर हमको चाहिए, और एसक्यूएल सर्वर 2014 मैनेजमेंट स्टूडियो, इसी को हमें ओपन करना है। और ये गाइस, ये ओपन हो रहा है, थोड़ा टाइम लग रहा है लेकिन ये ओपन होगा। और इसे ओपन करने के लिए सबसे पहले हमें कनेक्ट एंड डेटाबेस क्रिएट करने के लिए हमें न्यू क्वेरी पर क्लिक करना पड़ेगा। एंड नाउ सी देन एंड क्रिएट द डेटाबेस एंड कमेंट लाइन एंड define the database create spelling in mistake and now then correct. And command line section is not run in the system, and enter and the keywords. And now see this list typing create database, and database now this value constant value and Technical Ganesh. And first step in all underline and select and program execute, and command line section is completed successfully. And now can you go the master and refresh the system and program the Technical Ganesh and front line and see the Technical Ganesh. And now enter the keyword, and second option create table, and table will be already taken in my system, and table has create many student. And now open the function, and function will first step create the first name, and constant value match the system in constant value, and where and character value represent in the open the function, and constant value more than 50. And now close the function and inverted comma and last name. And now function and create the where, and now constant value 50, and now the comma, and first name and last name create the where and character value represent in the system, and age type. And now value the create the int is not a character value, it is a number value represent, and inverted comma. And now create address is a where system technology, and address where and more than 100, and mobile number. And see guys, his mobile number is int value, and create the and where and only create the 20, and database function is match Now data C can you represent in your system, and password. Password is a constant value, integer value, have can represent in the system, and password and where can and where can it does not pair, but it can constant value is represent in your system, and 100, and function is closed. And see guys, and create the table in last point in function in program is run and execute point. See guys, command complete successfully, program I run is successfully and just not error. And give command in this insert the value in system, and insert into, and create table student and insert into student value. And now just open the function and see guys, and database insert in single quote and only rate in just not error in show the your system. My name is Ganesh, and see the right page, and single quote open and single quote close, and now the insert in inverted comma first name and single quote and Prajapati and inverted comma and age ent, and my age is 20 years, and the create the data. And see guys, int value is not functional value but not create the database, and function value only does not single quote effect. And now go to another and int and address single quote gkp and mobile number. The mobile number, see guys, anyway just have been typing, and password and single quote, and function is closed. And now she has the function is all insert value is click, and now go to the execute, and see guys, and one raw affected in my your system, and another person is value affected in your system, and continuous value in the system insert in enter. And see guys, have very helpful, and control C and copy and paste, and change the constant value, and Manish Sharma and now just give the change in this number, and don't reset the forget in password, and password is changed insert into. And now just go to execute, and second raw is affected in your system, and does not in last point in single put close the system, and go to the next option, and your values is so, and in small code, and select and star from in table value. The table value has been student is the database and collection of tables. And now just select and execute. So guys, that is insert the value, and so this my system, and all the function value has create and has been database and insert into and modify and change in your system. And see guys, have been modified in my database, and another have been updated and enter. Here one time is a comment line, and define comment line does not affect the your system, and SQL Server data will maintain. and new columns in existing table, and now just use the alter table. And alter table is use the system in create the table in collection of tables, and goes in the hell in the student. And now just go to add your system and modify. And another add have seen in guys in email is n varchar constant will 50 does not close the system in inverted comma and select the function value. And now just go the execute function, and see guys complete successful and run. And just show the data and select from your student and have been typing in your SQL Server data maintain and execute. So guys, this email is add your function in system, but not so the email, and email is null, and email is so, and update student. And guys, update student. So guys, does not affect the update your system, and system is cannot affect the database. And so guys, the what modifies change the database is cannot be affect, and the running program and very easy to run. And the database in maintain, and every time is show the data and create the table and learning the code and create the database as simple. It does not matter. And technology, hmm, and email is null, and email null which the another person is update TBR product site email. Update, then set email and assign value, and gmail.com. If you guys have been program run in already the error, but next video in update query completed error is so create the data system and does not correct. And so guys, thank you for this video, and